Hello guys, Vic Christoph here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the video recording capabilities of the new OnePlus 7 Pro against the iPhone XR. Both phones sold for about the same price, so how do they do in terms of video recording? Let's test 4K 30 video. First starting with testing the video stabilization. Follow me around. Both phones are handheld, no gimbals, no extra special equipment used for these shots. So let's move quicker and still carefully though. Okay, let's move right here. Let's stop and let's first move the phones up and down. So let's see how they adjust to different lighting conditions, the brighter parts of the image, and move them down. You should be able to very gradually adjust to the changing light. And next up, we will also test a very important feature called continuous autofocusing. So let's try this. Let's move these phones so they point towards the tree bark and see if they can then switch the focus to me. So let's try this once again. How fast are they able to adjust the focus? Focus right there on the tree bark, back to me. Do this a few times. Now this should give you a good idea about the speed of the autofocusing transition. Which one does better? Let me know in the comments. And that's it guys, a quick test of the video cameras on the OnePlus 7 Pro and the iPhone XR. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.